A little more than 2 weeks ago, reports surfaced regarding Boeing's refocused effort on closing the plane makers' shadow factories, sites where some of the company's top talent maintain, fix, and update planes instead of building new ones. The company had 2 sites still working on some 115 aircraft, one that services 737 MAX jets in Moses Lake, and another that was working on 787 Dreamliners in Everett, Washington. On Friday, the Seattle Times reported that Boeing is already closing up shop in Everett. Mechanics wrapped up work on the remaining 787 Dreamliners that were waiting for small gaps at the fuselage joins to be repaired. It's big news for the troubled plane maker. Boeing had to fix 122 Dreamliners that had these paper-thin gaps. The work stole time from hundreds of mechanics, pulling them from regular production work. A whistleblower brought the gap issue to light, saying it could lead to catastrophe. Boeing, however, said the gaps didn't pose any risk. Still, they were out of spec and needed to be fixed. Now, the aircraft can be delivered and the many workers can move on to new projects. The 787 project has chewed up nearly 5 years of rework. The workers in Everett will be reassigned, many to Boeing's 777 and 777X program. The Shadow Factory in Moses Lake is still working on 737 MAXs. As of early last month, about 55 planes still needed attention. While the company continues to face many challenges, like the 787s in South Carolina still waiting on parts, and the 777Xs parked in Washington waiting for certification, it looks like Boeing is closing the gap. I'm David Manti. This is Manufacturing Now.